Welcome to Audit College. Today's class is a complete problem on final accounts with adjustments. We will start from 20 adjustments and finally prepare the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet step by step. Most exam questions follow this format with a maximum of 6 to 8 adjustments allowed. I will explain and cover all the adjustments. So while these questions may seem lengthy, there is no need to panic when you see them. So this is the question, trial balance as on 31st March 2025, particular debt column and credit column and with 20 adjustments. If you start the sum, it's mean first you see the trial balance and each entry is on which side is the final account, and then you see the given adjustment entries that are affected by which side in the final accounts. First you will make a note of the adjustment and then begin solving the problem. Let's start. Adjustment entry. First, closing stock. It is credited in trading account and also asset side of the balance sheet. Second one is outstanding salary. Add to salary in profit and loss account and liability side. Prepaid rent. Less from rent in profit and loss account and asset side of the balance sheet. Accrued commission. Add to income in profit and loss account and enter the asset side. Income in advance. Less from income in profit and loss account and liability side. Depreciation on machinery. Debit side of profit and loss account. Less from the machinery in asset side. Depreciation of furniture. Debt side of profit and loss account. Less from furniture in asset side. Bad debt. Debit side of profit and loss account. Less from debtors in asset side. Provision for doubtful debts 5%. So which means 5% in after minusing the bad debts from debtors amount into 5%. That amount will be the provision for doubtful debts. So this entry debit side in profit and loss account and less from debtors in asset side. Provision for discount after minusing the provision for doubtful debts that amount into 2%. This amount is provision for discount. This entry will be debit side in profit and loss account and less from debtors in balance sheet in asset side. Interest on capital. Debit side of profit and loss account and add to capital in liability side. Interest on drawing. Credit side in profit and loss account less from capital in liability side. Interest on loan rupees 400. Loan included in creditors. So debit side in profit and loss account add to creditors in liability side. Drawing goods less from purchases in trading account and also less from capital in liability side. Free samples. Debit side of profit and loss account less from stock in asset side. Stock by Fryer. Debit side of profit and loss account you will enter the loss amount and in the asset side you will enter only insurance claim amount. Printing unpaid. Debit side in profit and loss account and liability side in balance sheet. Rent due. Add to rent in profit and loss account. Liability side in balance sheet. Prepaid add less from expenses. Asset side in balance sheet. Outstanding wages. Add to wages in trading account. Liability side in balance sheet. If you have any doubts, comment below. In the next video where we see prepare the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet step by step about that. Thank you all.